Well, roses, I tried acrylic ombre. I had quite a few mishaps, but it all came together in the end. Stay tuned to see how I do this. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Before we even get started, you already know what to do. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for me, showing the up, downs, and all arounds of this particular nail set. And feel free to leave me a comment. So I'm starting off with these Unigella tips that I got from Amazon, and I'm just sizing them out really quick. And then what I'm going to do is take some acrylics from Creations by Bree. I'll do a separate video of the haul I did from her, but I do use 3 of her acrylics in this, and the acrylic I'm using right now is the only clear I have, which is from Saviland. So yeah, and I also use another acrylic from Purpl. The monomer I use is from Purpl. My brush is from Purpl, and yeah, you get it. So anyway, I'm not going to talk all the way through this video. I actually filmed this like the beginning of May, and now it's the 30th. Hopefully I get this uploaded. Y'all, it's been a month. I know it's been quiet for a while. Going through a lot of different things, but part of the reason why I haven't been uploading is I haven't been feeling so great. I am going through treatment right now for rheumatoid arthritis, and some medications have not been working. There was one medication, I got hives, y'all, and I have never had hives in my life, but let me tell you, I do not want them ever again. So anyway, because my body is in pain all of the time, and some days are worse than the others, I just didn't feel like doing that. And y'all, I couldn't even edit a video if I wanted to, because along with that, I'm severely tired. And so just trying to edit, I was like falling asleep. I'm like, oh no. But anyway, I'm doing this for y'all real quick, just trying to talk really fast. Yeah, I hope to upload more. I really want to do a lot more. I also want to do a live at some point, but I need to bring y'all back to my channel first. I want to do a live because your girl, I turned 50, y'all, in about 2 weeks, and I thought it would be cool, to go live or whatever. You guys ask me questions, whatever. I don't know. Maybe not exactly on my birthday, but somewhere around there. But I don't know. We will see. I just want to get to know you guys a lot more. I have a lot of new people on this channel. And some of you guys may be confused. If you go back in my channel, I have over 700 videos, and I started as a natural hair channel. I still do natural hair, but my hair has changed. I now have microlocks, something I installed on my own. So I still have all of those videos. I have all kind of reviews. I have done skincare things. I have done, women's health things. I have done wigs. I have done crochet braids. I have done a lot. I am an artistic person. I even used to have an Etsy shop, which was called OlenaRosanne Creations, and I used to sew head wraps and make jewelry and things like that, which I still have, which I still may bring back at some point, but I'm a creative person. So of course I want to go ahead and try some acrylic ombre with my favorite color, purple, and this blue. I thought this was a cool combination. Now so far in this, I think I'm doing okay. I think I'm, blending it okay. And if any of you guys don't know, I'm a newbie at acrylics. Sometimes the acrylic come out all right, sometimes it don't. I am still trying to figure out my liquid to powder ratio. I need to practice a whole lot more. So, it's when I do acrylic, it's every so often. I like to do poly gel, but I really want to do more acrylic because you don't got to worry about curing it, okay? Except for the gel. And of course, I do lots of things with gel polishes on here. So anyway, I know I'm talking all over the place, y'all. This is just how I am in real life. I'm kind of all over the place sometimes when I'm talking. I don't know. But anyway, love this color. It's so incredibly beautiful. So incredibly beautiful. And I'll talk about these acrylics a little bit more when I show you my haul. And I probably should have did that first, but y'all, like I said, I'm all over the place. Your girl, I'm just trying to do what I can do right now. It's the end of May. I just had one of my sons. He went to prom some weeks ago, and if you saw my post, then of course you saw that he turned 17. And then my older son, he is 30. He'll be 31 in about a month or so, and he is getting married this summer. So there's lots of stuff going on. There's lots of stuff going on. And your girl is just trying to post as she's able to post. So I appreciate y'all listening to me ramble really quick. A little summary of, a little bit of what's been going on. I love to post nails and just anything because it's my way to express myself. I've been on here for, a while, but I started doing this for fun and everything else, and to just create, period. But now your girl's at this point where she's just like, wait a minute, where the dollars at? Where the dollars at? I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna have to make some money on this channel at some point, y'all. At some point. So anyway, yeah. So if you just like, hearing from someone who is, might be middle-aged, but your girl, still know what's going on. Tell me in the comments if you would like, what you would like to see more of on this channel. Because right now, I'm just ready to just put whatever out. It just doesn't really matter. My channel is about everything now. Look, they say everything is content, right? Right. So anyway, getting back to these nails. So far, I think I'm okay. The problem comes in with this ombre when I add the third color in. And I really didn't know what I was doing. It was becoming way, way, way too thick because my layers are too thick. I'm putting too much of the color on here. And mind you, this is going to be encapsulated on top of that. So I go in with the third color. Off camera, I do my filing. I did go ahead and file into the ombre, partly because I had to. It was too thick, so that kind of ruined some of the ombre a little bit. But then I go in with this glitter acrylic and just, kind of spice it up a little bit. Make it look like it really wasn't looking the way it came out looking in the beginning, if you know what I'm saying. So that's where the glitter came in at. And then that's all encapsulated, okay? Either way, it was cute. It was cute. I think it was me. As you can see by the sets I've been doing, nothing is plain on my nails like ever. If you like someone just trying all kinds of stuff and ain't afraid of color, girl, this is the place to be. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Right now, they're cleaning our gutters, and I'm sure they're going to start pounding on this ceiling at any second now because I hear them up there. So instead of y'all having to hear that or hear me any further, I just want to thank y'all for being here. I hope you watch this video, y'all. Please watch as much as possible. I have a lot of numbers I need to get back up. Your girl need to get back in this algorithm. So I would appreciate you liking this video and sharing it with someone. That would help out quite a bit. I like doing this stuff. This is part of my self-care. This helps keep me saying. So any help you guys can provide by just getting me in the algorithm, spreading the word, bringing more roses to our rose garden, I would appreciate it. So anyway, other than that, I'm going to be quiet. We're going to cut on some music, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, roses. Talk to me in the comments. I want to get to know, especially all the new people who've come on over here and are now rose in our rose garden. Talk to me sometimes so I can get to know you guys the same way I know the ones who normally comment. So other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain. Can't be nothing, 'cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me, 'cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type, give it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I'll have a strong